Okay, so today's Friday, and the original plan was to maybe kind of get up and pack up and kind of head back from Missouri today. But we never got to go on this Needles Highway that everybody's talked about, and we've seen a lot of stuff about it. So we decided that we're going to make one more trip out. We've got the motorhome packed up and pretty much ready to go, and we're going to go out and find this Needles Highway and take the scenic Needles route. And I guess maybe there's a few hiking trails off of that, so we're going to try to hit a couple of those as well, maybe do a little hiking. And then we're going to hightail it back to camp, load up in the motorhome, and head back for Missouri, and probably just make a all-night drive and just go all the way through. So stay tuned here, and we'll show you Needles. Oh my God! After we get in a car accident from these potholes. Okay, so we're getting up here on this
first tunnel, but the next one's a lot cooler.
Getting up here on this Needles Highway, and we're getting ready to drive through a tunnel now. They're all one lane, so the traffic's a little bit backed up, but they sure are cool looking. And we got a Jeep behind us and a Jeep in front of us. So we'll see if we can get some good footage of this other one we got down here. Stay right on your tail through it. This other Jeep staying with us.
At least we got a replacement for Dad back there.
Yeah, it's not even going to look like we lost him in our videos because it looks the same from the front.
Like a bomb went
make
off.
sure it's turned and
I
directly
slapped
in
so
front
hard it just like a bomb so hard. Go.
of you. And that's it. Well, that'll be a little different.
Still need to get that chest straight.
Uncle Ben, this is this
Alright, it's
blue.
recording. Just try not to bump it and make sure it's going.
I want to get rid of it. Come on.
Alright, we just made it to the Cathedral Spiral off of Needles Highway, which is more like a trail / road. And we're gonna hike this trail here. Claire's in flip-flops,
Slow down, girl.
so she should do really well.
Wait on
Here,
us.
get the map in here.
It's 2.2 round trip. That ain't terrible.
And we're out here with Willing to Dream.
Okay, wait, right
Natalie, say something, Nat.
Sup?
Sup from Willing to Dream.
Hey, girls, why don't you let me
So
get
we'll
in front?
continue on for a while.
Claire, wait right there.
Looks like a pretty easy path, really.
So,
Except for Nate, he's gonna fall down here.
man.
Daddy, there's a cave.
Equilibrium is off today.
Yeah, there's a cave. Oh, in the back.
Why are you in the back?
Just concentrate on walking, Connor. How about that? Temperature's about 74 degrees. We got a light breeze. It's about 11:50 in the morning. And I mean, these towers and stuff are just blow your mind. It reminds me of, you get up in the mountains in Tucson and it's similar to that. So there's a pretty tall peak over there. And Mount Rushmore is just over these towers on the other side there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, get your GoPro in there. Your GoPro.
Look at these rocks, guys. It looks like a vampire skin.
Good job, baby.
This is why we're in the balance beam.
Does Ree need help? Hold on, Ree.
Want me to help her?
Wait for your daddy. Come here. Come back on her.
Woo!
Go ahead, Reed. Balance yourself. Take your time. One foot in front of the other. There you go. Good job. Good job. Doing it.
And that's what Claire would call a pretty creek.
Gonna go up. Go straight up a little ways.
Okay, so we're about midway up the trail here, and it's getting kind of steep now. Of course, the two little rugrats are taking point, tripping and stumbling around, and us older folk are trying to keep up.
Hello.
I got her.
Oh.
Good job, Claire. Just watch your footing.
Okay, Claire, keep that one.
Yeah, they're close. That's damn sure.
Like I said,
Come on, Con.
it doesn't stop. It gets her up. There's something wrong.
This is for you. Tune in.
It happens every now and
Up here at the top, we're gonna need a defibrillator. Let's go. Come on, Claire.
That's why you kids don't lead us off the cliff.
Going up
Hey, bring that GoPro around and get some beauty shots from time to time.
Get my beauty shot, Brandy.
Let me see your beauty shot.
God, that breeze feels good. You probably wouldn't wake up.
Well, you probably would now.
There's something
Unless you had a
attached to
heart attack.
The trail doesn't look like much, but due to the higher elevation and the trail getting a little steeper with more rocks, got a little winded. We needed to take a break here.
Remember our little collection.
Okay.
And we were just gonna sit up here where no one's at. And have some peace and quiet time. No peace and quiet because all of those people are just talking. And I'm the leader this day, so blah blah blah. I don't care. Okay,
Well,
yeah.
I guess I'll know.
Hey, come on.
Everyone go up to this little cave?
Yes.
All right.
It's probably really cool in there. I'm gonna get up in front of you.
Sure. Just take it slow.
Look at what I'm doing. I'll make good footage of it.
That's it.
Okay, wait. Okay.
All right, Nat. Show us how it's done. That's pretty steep over there, girl.
What are you doing, Nat?
I don't know, Nat. That's pretty steep. I don't think you can make it up that. Better come do this one.
In my way. Oh, crap.
Go ahead, Nat.
You know, watch your nug.
Show us how you can do it. That's it. Good job. All right, let's see if I can do it there.
That'll work.
Try not to move the camera over. These rocks are pretty in here.
Yeah, they are. Everything looks like gold.
Video clips of this. Really just killing it.
We made it to the top of the spire, and there's a little trail that comes off the side here. Goes up into the ravine. Ow! And the kids are still at point, and we're getting ready to go through this cave here. Or,
What do you think, girls?
I don't think they're called a cave. Bear Grylls would call it a crevasse. But us Americans call it crevice. So, up here in the top, there's a big pile of elephant shit. We're gonna squeeze some water out of it, get a drink. Stay tuned.
Like anytime somebody tries to sell me something on the phone, I would.
So we're headed back down the trail now. Connor fell down about a little 4 or 5 foot drop, scratched his knees up, and he already had a blister on his hand from yesterday and opened that up again. So we've all got real close to running out of water, so we're headed back to the Jeep and we're gonna drink some water and eat some sandwiches, and then we'll probably get back on the road for our trek out of the nice little state of South Dakota. Good job, Clara. Slow down now. Just take it at a time, one at a time.
Boulders.
Hey, Uncle Ben.
Yeah, let me get you on tape if I can find you. Oh, shit. Yeah, I see you. Give me a peace sign or something. Hey, there's a dad.
Those were just as bad. No soul on them. It's like walking barefoot. And I went 12 miles.
I've been on the balance beam that far.
Here's your rock, dude.
Hey, that's my nugget.
Yeah.
So bad.
I know. Well,
Look at mine.
It's just crazy, man. Just a whole handful of this rock and see how different it all
Just
is.
found the water.
Yeah, there's a lot here.
Whoa! Look at that. Put him up here on a rock wall. Look at this one.
Yeah, that's cool.
Look at
I found a big rock, but it's got just little flakes in it, but it's probably just this pyrite. Oh, gold.
Do you see that guy up there?
Where? Well, look at him up there, Nate. Straight ahead.
Yeah. We rock climbed that.
Alright, so we made it off the trail. It's about a 2-mile trek in and out. And you come right up in the spires up here in the mountains, across the mountain from Rushmore. And boy, it's pretty out here. And when we got up in the hills, it was just like a cold, cool breeze blowing right against us. We walked against it going up the hill, and then it was at our back going down. So it really wasn't too bad. We ran out of water about 3/4 of the way done, and so we were thirsty when we got back to the Jeep here. We had bottled water in the Jeep. So now we're gonna go down to the little town of Keystone. It's like an old school gold mining town. And we're gonna see if we can find a burger or a little place to eat down there. And then we're gonna start our journey back to Missouri. So thanks for tuning in on this video. We really appreciate all you guys and all your support. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. And if you like this video, like it. We'll see you on the trail.